Okay, we're gonna cook quick and easy. I already cleaned these mushrooms. Oh, I wanna show a trick. I don't worry about it, but people always are saying you should put a wet washcloth underneath your cutting board so it won't slide around. Like I said, it doesn't really bother me when it slides, and I've done it in the past. But I think better than a wet washcloth, there's something else you can do. Ta-da! Piece of no slip. And you don't got water everywhere, and it's not moving. So let's move you closer. I'm gonna cut the hard parts of the stems off, and we'll do time lapse. Quick and easy, huh? Frying pan. In they go. And with that, we got a zucchini. Also already cleaned. Okay. And that goes. That's gonna be it for the veggies. See, that works. No slip. If you want to do that, do that. Alright, medium low, there we go. I got some of that same olive oil. Blood orange, it's really nice, I like it. I'm gonna cook. I have some garlic powder. Okay, we'll let that cook. Come on, somebody smart, invent smell-o-vision. I love the smell of mushrooms. Okay. Alright, that's looking done. Let's shut it off. Hit the next part. Alright? Alright. Alright, the next part, I'm cheating. It's hot outside and I just don't want to go outside, so I'm going to nuke these. These are Johnsonville apple chicken sausage. I really like these. They're very good, so I'm just going to nuke. This is Vlasic bowl with sriracha topper. Put some of that on there. I haven't tried it before. Oh yeah. Okay, let's give it a try. Woohoo! Look at there. You see? That's good. I like that. Shroom. Good. Zucchini. Good. Garlicky. Mushroom and zucchini. Good. I'll give you another flyover. With the Vlasic bold sriracha topper on it. It's pretty good. Quick and easy meal. Done in the microwave because it's just too hot out. And I didn't want to mess around with the grill. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day.